Alright, so I'm trying to find the distance around that rectangle put together with this half circle. So 7.2 is a little bit tricky there. That's actually telling us the entire distance going straight from the bottom all the way to the top. So that's this distance, that whole distance. So if I really wanted to find, I'm going to highlight it in black, if I want to find this black side here, I need to think about taking out this. So I'm going to somehow subtract that out, but first I need to find that. This is just a circle. There's a circle at the top of that shape, and I know that the diameter of that circle is the same as the bottom of this rectangle. That has to be 3.4. The diameter is 3.4. So the radius of the circle, which is actually what I'm looking for, this section, that's 1.7. Sorry, 1.7. That's going from diameter to the radius. That's helpful because that's going to tell me the leftover part. So right now I'm just finding this black side. Actually, I'm going to erase all the stuff about the circle. But I know that that part is 1.7. The leftover part has to add up to 7.2. So 1.7 plus, let's call this x, equals 7.2. Really, I'm just subtracting 1.7 from that 7.2, and that gives me that that is 5.5. So I know that this black side has to be 5.5. Actually, so does this. This other side across from it also is 5.5. I am not using the 7.2 for the perimeter at all. It's talking about part of the circle that's not really included in the perimeter. I'm really just using the 5.5 and the 5.5 that's across from it. Now I have to find the missing part of that circle. So this is a circle with a radius of 1.7. So I'm going to use circumference equals 2 times pi r. So circumference equals 2 times pi times 1.7. And that gives me 10.676. I'm going to round that to 10.68. Again, that is a full circle. That's if this circle was completed, but it's not. It's only at half of a circle. So I'm going to divide that by 2. That tells me that that section is 5.34. Now I have all of my missing sides. Now I'm going to add up all of these missing sides going around, which is 5.5, 5.5, 3.4, and 5.3. Which gives me a final answer of 19.74 feet.